Today we will be taking a retrospective look into Ford Automotive. Last year they spent $45 million developing an additive manufacturing and research development facility, and it looks like it's paying off. Recently they filed for a patent for 3D printed drum brakes. In addition, the F-150 Raptor, which is bound for China, has several of its interior components 3D printed. Not as exciting though as the Shelby GT-500, which has two major components 3D printed, one of which is the brake line bracket, the other undisclosed. However, Top Speed magazine states that this undisclosed 3D printed part will save the company $2 million a year. We are looking forward to seeing this in production line cars, which will be available next year in 2020. We are also looking forward to seeing where Ford will take this technology next, as it's being applied more and more to additive manufacturing. And that is our Additive Guru Brief for today. Thank you for watching.